Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is Musical Notes and Their Values, Part 2. Our topic is Musical Notes and Their Values, Part 2. Today, we are going to continue from where we stopped the last lesson. Values of quaver or eighth notes. Values of quaver or eighth notes. It's what half of the values of a crotchet, that is, half of a beat. Semi-quaver. Semi-quaver. Values. It's what half of the values of a quaver, that is, quarter of a beat. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.